So we're at Ikea. This is the beer festival that I chose. James thinks it's gonna be lame. It's in a parking lot, but
we are at Ikea Beer Festival in a parking lot.
Welcome to Beyond Borders!
What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Beyond Borders. Today we are on our way to a German beer festival. But before we get into the video, did you know that over 90% of you guys watching our videos are not subscribed? Well, we are on the road to 10,000 subscribers that we are hoping to hit before the end of the year. So do us a favor and throw us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to our channel so that you stay up to date with all of our latest videos and travel adventures. So where are we off to?
We are off to a German beer fest. So I usually find these cool events by just going onto the event section on Facebook, and then I click on events near me, and I saw this cool beer festival. I must say we have been to a few events that I found on Facebook that was horrific.
Very dodgy.
So we are going to see what this one's like. It's in a nice area. The sun's out for the first time in like 2 weeks. So we are ready to go explore a bit.
Super keen, and the video and photos on Facebook look pretty good.
But they can be deceiving.
They can be deceiving, and we have found that out before in the past. But let's go see what they have in store for us. So we are using our trusty Google Maps to get us there, which is not always trustworthy in Germany.
Very untrustworthy, actually.
Yeah, it's not always, I don't always feel confident using it, but Google Maps says it's 18 minutes away. We're going to catch a bus there and a short walk. I'm keen to see the different beers on display, and also to see if there's some German food, like some bratwurst,
oh,
Sune's
no.
favorite.
Okay, cheers, I'm going home.
Good old, trusty and convenient and reliable German bus service. Where are you? Okay, we're going this way.
Not sure where you're going.
I thought we were going that way, but Sune's got the map. As you guys know from previous videos, she does a fantastic job at reading them. So
being sarcastic now.
Hopefully she gets us.
Do you want to end this video early with a blue eye?
How far is the walk? I think I was right. So we can hear the music, so obviously we are close by. And there is a McDonald's over there. And if you haven't watched our previous video, last week Sune and I tried a German McDonald's for the very first time. So I will link it at the top. You can go check that video out. But sure. we can hear the music in the background. I'm not sure if the mic is picking it up. I don't see a lot of people here, so my expectations are not very high as to how this festival is going to be. And judging by like the YouTube videos that you always see of German like beer fest, like in Munich, I think the one in Berlin that we're going to now, I don't think it's as big and as traditional. I think it's very casual. But yeah, I'm optimistic to be pleasantly surprised, but let's see how it goes. All right, so we have arrived at Biermarkt auf Tour. There it is over there. It doesn't look very well. We're in the parking lot of, I think, Ikea. But we're here. And the German music in the background's good. And we're going to see what they have on offer. I think we're paying, how much is the entry fee to go in?
€2 per person.
€2 per person.
I think we're going to have to put this away.
44 Rand basically to get in. I smell some very good food though. Definitely keen to try something German.
This festival, even if this festival is not nice, we can go walk around in Ikea.
So yeah, I mean, like I said,
fabulous.
We are in the parking lot of Ikea, which I haven't been into yet.
We're still trying to find the entrance to this.
But we're doing like a 360 around this beer fest.
Literally
over
walking
here.
around it, yeah.
Trying to find the entrance. Doesn't look as big and the photos I'll actually show you a photo of what the Facebook ad looked like. It looked like a festival on a river, and I don't see a river over here. It's more of a parking lot. Okay, this is the beer festival. Is this it? Not very big.
It's very small.
But the positive thing is that look at all those toilets, man. They've got like multiple toilets.
Why you're always obsessed with toilets?
I'm obsessed with toilets because there's just never any in Germany. So for the German viewers watching this video who stay in Berlin, they can relate that there is never any public toilets. But this is the festival. I think we're a bit early. It is 6:30 p.m. We got some of the English music going on there. And this is the place. There's some jewelry, honey, and Sune's favorite, a kwarkballen. It's like a koeksister, a German koeksister, but instead of it being like twisty, it's round. And there we go, some German Pilsner. Okay, we're gonna first walk around.
Yeah.
See what we can get. There's not many stalls here. I reckon there's probably about 30 stalls here at max, maybe 20. So we're gonna see what we can get, something to snack on, some a beer maybe, and show you guys what we get. Let's check this German beer out. It's like, I think this is like 2 liters. Look at that. And it's got some girls in lingerie. We have goulash. Yeah, they have got I think it's some form of a goat. Beer prices are not that bad, eh? I mean, it's like €2.50 up to €5. There is not much going on at this festival.
I didn't pick it.
Sune picked it. We have to do at least get a German beer and like a German snack or something.
Another list there. Tusky.
So we got a Polish beer here up ahead, Tusky, and there we have got some gin and tonic, and there's like the main stage,
and that's it.
And that's it, and that's the entrance over there we came in. Okay, so mission 1 is going to be get a German beer so we can do a taste test. And a snack. Okay, let's do it. So we have ordered the traditional currywurst met Brochen. And we've got a selection over here. I think that's the currywurst over there. And he's got the wurst. €6, which is about 120 Rand. Oh, look at that. Looks amazing. There we go. Dankeschön. Oh, check that out. That looks pretty good. And there's Sune over there with a Polish beer. If you had one job, you had to get a German beer. We're going to do a bit of a taste test over here with some currywurst. The last one we had was Curry King in our German review. How does this one compare? The Germans on here will love it that we have tried out a proper. Okay, there we go. A proper. It's like 50 times better than those store-bought one.
It's actually really nice.
This is like really good, guys. The one that we bought tasted so processed and so fake, but
well,
this
it was
one,
processed and fake.
This one you got like a fresh bun. Check this bun out.
Oh, yum.
And it's warm and it's fresh.
Wow.
Damn good, man. This is actually very tasty. Like, there's so much more flavor I feel in this than the store-bought one. And the thing is, this guy, he braais them, or he barbecues them, and then he puts the sauce on. So you got this like smoky flavor. And if you can check here, then he puts it like in like a sauce, which has got a bit of spice in, tomatoey flavor. Very good, very tasty. I think it's pork, and it's spiced really well. Tastes like a pork sausage almost, with a really good spicy sauce. And then you got a fresh bun, and then over here, sorry to the Germans that are watching this video, but we've got a Polish beer to wash it down with. But it's still good though. Germans are definitely unique. We are sitting in an Ikea parking lot at a beer festival. eating currywurst and drinking Polish beer. What are your thoughts? How does the currywurst taste to you? Out of 10, what is your rating? No pressure.
Out of 10 for currywurst.
Yeah, out of 10 for currywurst. How does it taste overall? What is your meal rating?
7.
7. I rated a 6 compared to every meal that I've had before.
No, we said we're comparing it to currywurst.
If it's currywurst, then it's 10 because it's so much better than the store-bought one. It's actually very flavorful. In general, though, I'm rating it a 6. It's a good meal. Not one of my favorites,
No.
but it's still good. And
In general, this is a 5.
And I've never seen Sune drink beer before, so it's pretty interesting. The German is definitely flowing.
My ancestors are German.
Polish beer, however, is just really good. Like this brand, Tusky, is just like really tasty. And I think it's like a pretty large brand in Poland, but you find it everywhere in Germany, and I actually see a lot of people drinking it. But overall, a very good beer. The meal was good. The Ikea parking lot was good. The beer festival, I was expecting Munich vibes, you know, with dances, traditional outfits, wooden huts.
Damn, is that what you were keen for?
No, I was keen for like the proper German experience for beer festival, but we're in a parking lot in Ikea.
Oktoberfest is coming up.
But Oktoberfest is coming, and we are planning to definitely make a swing past there in Munich in, I think it's the end of September. It's weird. They call it Oktoberfest, but it's in September. So we're going to Septemberfest in Munich.
Yeah!
Yeah! Guys, that was a very unique experience. I have never been to a beer festival in my life before, hosted by Ikea, but it was entertaining, it was good. We met some nice German people that were also surprised by the Ikea festival, and there's actually some good music. And Sune said we're going this way now because we are on our way to the train station.
No, because we walked all the way around now, and we can actually exit over there.
Okay, yeah, we did like a 360 on the way in here. But we are in Ikea parking lot, and it's actually surprisingly busy, but I presume that is because people have finished the work week and they are here to buy supplies for the week. But how was the experience for you overall?
It's a nice outing. Good weather, you know, and we are on our way because the sun sets so late in Germany during the summertime. We are on our way to go do something else because we have about 2 hours of daylight still left. So the night does not end here.
Doesn't end here, but this video does.
Yeah.
If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to our channel so that you stay up to date with all our latest videos. Until next time, this is Beyond Borders.